cat and cow exercise is a really good way to mobilise the whole line of the vertebrae, extending and bending from the pelvis all the way up to the neck. So it's really good for that mobility that we're looking for, to become a little bit more controlled and free with it. Fingers apart, hands underneath the elbows, elbows under the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Tuck the tummy in, stabilise through the chest to keep the shoulders still, and then curl your back up, tucking in your pelvis and dropping your head to look through the arms and into towards the thighs, and then tilt the pelvis downwards as you start to arch the lower back, lifting the chest up in front, raising the head. Roll the pelvis back up, lift the lower back, roll through the upper back, curling up again, dropping the head down near the end, looking through the arms into the legs.